Good afternoon everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to the January 2025 Moongate update. Here we are at our neighbour Half Moon Bay and the reason we get our name. This is our front yard, the most excellent place to spend an afternoon enjoying the regenerative effects of being at the ocean. The sound of the waves, ozone, salt spray. So after many months of meeting you on camera and showing updates, it's great to be able to walk across the front of the property and let you see all 7 buildings with all their roofs on, all being plastered, retaining walls going up, pool terraces, reception roofs going on. So really important and exciting time for the property. Here we are standing in the heart of the house, the home of the colleagues who will be running the resort and making sure all of our guests and homeowners have the best experience possible. Several months ago we were delighted to showcase the stunning work of our colleagues, Hayden and the stonecutters. So by any stretch, this work is going to be the making of this building. I think we'll all agree it's absolutely stunning. And really a nice way to bring full circle the quarrying of the stone on the site and now the conversion of it into the finished reception walls. So thank you everyone for joining us again. Exciting time as we get to the finishing stages of the project. So until the February update, everyone stay safe, keep well, looking forward to seeing you then.